Here, buddy, it's Mark again. Because I had such good luck repairing the Nisshindo torsion clock, I thought I'd look at this clock. This is a 100-day clock and is made by New Master. It's made in Japan. Nisshindo Clock Company, Tokyo, Japan. New Master is the name of the clock, I believe. And here it says Standard Vacuum Oil Company, 1961. I bought this off of Goodwill sometime back. It comes with this case top. You pull on these levers, these two side levers, and you can take the top off. I will say that this side lever comes all the way out, and this side lever has got a spring on it, which this side lever does also. It's just that the spring portion isn't working, and the pendulum, the wire itself, has came out of the bottom block. So I'm going to have to take a screw. There's a tiny screw right here, and get that out, the bottom block out. To go any further with this clock. And here's the bottom block. This clock probably will not be in the 400-day clock repair guide. Sorry, got a phone.